Hello, this is Christina from Nexus. We're at 44 Gaslight Lane in Easton at a townhouse, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom. We're starting in the master bedroom that features nice, very big walk-in closet. Very nice, spacious room. The whole unit has been freshly painted, ceiling, walls, baseboards, molding, doors. Looks great. Next, we're going to the full bath with a nice bathtub. From here, we're going to the second bedroom on this floor. Another spacious room. This is a video in the afternoon, so plenty of sun coming this side, and in the morning there will be light from the other side in the master bedroom. Another nice closet with 2-side mirror. Alright, very nice. Now we're going down to the first floor. Notice the nice hardwood floors. Those are always a plus in a unit. Here we go first to the living room with a walking door right to a porch. You can put a nice patio, you can put your furniture here, enjoy outdoors. Very spacious room. Next, we're going into the half bath. And dining room. A very nice wall of mirrors. Next, open layout kitchen, stainless steel appliances, plenty of counter space. Very nice. Mini island here, perfect for breakfast. Main hallway. There are plenty of closets all around the unit. And our last stop will be the finished basement. And the laundry units. Another space, very spacious actually, finished basement. There's always also another closet here. And the laundry room with additional storage and shelves. Thank you.